Hello.
Good morning, guys. So we're about to do a quick room tour of where we stayed for Comic-Con. We stayed at the Humphrey Half Moon Inn. Adrian's gonna do a quick walkthrough, but I did want to have a quick disclaimer. Anything that is dirty in this hotel right now is us. We did our best to clean it up. We've totally blanked on actually doing a walkthrough when we got here on Friday. We were so excited to get to the con, so what you see is basically 2 nights of us staying in it, and we didn't let them clean the room. So it's there. It's totally all us. The only complaint I had with the room as a whole was basically the refrigerator. It had a really weird smell in there. But we did our best. We bought like a baking soda box and stuck it in there, and I think it worked for one night, but it's not the best. I'm sure had we complained about it, they either would have fixed it or changed our room, and we really didn't want to go through all that. It wasn't that big of a deal, so don't let that deter you from this whole room tour. It's great. The staff is fantastic. We did room service one day, and it was great.
Surprisingly decent.
It was so good. It was better than decent, I think, but
It wasn't the best breakfast I've ever had, but it was good.
it was diner breakfast though. Yeah, so I thought it was great. So we'll do a quick walkthrough and show you around.
Okay, here is our room tour of Humphrey's Half Moon Inn. I'm not going to open every drawer because I don't really like hotel reviews that do that. But you walk in, immediately to the left is this nice hallway where you have a vanity sitting table, a coffee maker, which is important for a lot of people, a little mirror, a nice kind of built-in closet area here in this hallway with a microwave, which we did not use. We did use the ice bucket and the aforementioned smelly fridge. Despite the smell, we still kept some Cokes in there. Certainly didn't impact that, but it wasn't a joy every time we opened it. Some cubbies there. And then across is this fairly large closet with sliding doors. Pretty decent sized closet, extra pillows, extra blankets, some hangers, luggage racks, and a safe ironing board, iron. This place is surprisingly equipped. And then the bathroom at the end of this little hallway. I thought it was a nice bathroom. I like the sink and the faucet. Some decent art. The toilet is in its own, or it's not in its own room. It's combined with the rest of the bathroom, and then a fairly decent shower with back out here. Full tub. The shower curtain is bowed out. Minor gripe: the shower head is a little low, so I'm just about 6 feet tall, and I had to kind of crouch. Also, the water pressure. Not the best. We have a pretty good shower at home where we took the governor off. This one, a little bit more of a drizzle, but passable. I was able to deal with it. So, I'm gonna go back out to the main bedroom here. Surprisingly spacious rooms. I don't know if the size will come off. Again, this is our dirty mess here, these towels. Since we were at Comic-Con, we didn't have a choice on our beds. Usually we do one king. This came with 2 queen size full beds. But a spacious room, nice tall ceilings, a nice fan. The beds were comfortable, no complaints there. Nice headboard. I like the art in here. Phone, USB charger. I think that's Bluetooth down there. Lots of good lighting. Pretty decent sized TV. That might be 37 inches or 40 inches. Your typical dresser. Nice little desk working area. But my favorite thing about our room was the view of the pool. And I read online that the hotel had a small pool, but I think it's pretty big. A nice deep end of 9 feet. See the palm trees out there, and you can see the screen's kind of blocking it, but those are a bunch of ship masts, sailing boat masts on the other side, because we're on Shelter Island, which is this little like peninsula with tons of boats. So overall, this is a decent hotel room. We would definitely stay here again. We love the location. Like Amber said, great staff. Everybody was friendly, and it was a good time. So yes, we'd recommend it. We paid $230 for the Comic-Con rate, so that is cheap, believe it or not. But yeah, Humphrey's Half Moon Inn. we would stay here again.
Here's the view from the parking lot of the Humphrey Half Moon. It's gorgeous. It's the bay, and there's one of our shuttle buses for Comic-Con. The shuttle was fantastic. It's just the best view. So actually, if you zoom in right here, you can see that's downtown San Diego. So the view is just wonderful.
And we're back. We're doing a little property walkthrough. We just came out of the hotel lobby. What else would that be? We're gonna do a little walkthrough of the grounds here because they're super nice. Oh, literally a butterfly just flew over Amber's head. So this is called the Green, right? For obvious reasons. Here is a map of the hotel. So we were staying in C or D? Were we in D?
I think it was C.
You're
Maybe
right.
it was D.
Well, we showed the view. So there is the Green. And then they do concerts here. There's a restaurant. And so we're just going to walk through. So this is the Green. And I love the palm trees here. Oh, we were zoomed in. Wow, that's a little better. Yeah, so there's the Green. They do, you can do croquet out here. They've got a pretty cool Connect 4, which I think we should extend our stay. Because I want to play this all day now. But yeah, lovely gardens. It was very relaxing coming home from Comic-Con yesterday and swimming in the pool. It really feels tropical here. So we're gonna take a little walk. This is the gate to the swimming pool. You do need your hotel key to get in there. And there is a pool bar, which is not open yet, but it has been open all Friday and Saturday, the days that we were here, it was open. And they made a pretty good drink in there, I think.
They sure did.
Yep. So again, here's the swimming pool. The thing I liked about it, I don't know if I mentioned this upstairs, was that it was 9 feet deep. And the deep end, I suspect they used to have a diving board out there. But yeah, nice and deep. And if you are an adult with a beverage, you can hang out in the deep end because in my experience, most kids these days are just not strong swimmers, so you can kind of stay. As I say that, there's a bunch of kids in the deep end. But generally, it's a good place to float, have a cocktail. We certainly did. So we're walking through this kind of fun jungle path area. The tallest structures in the hotel are 2 stories, so you're either below somebody or above somebody, but that's it. There's no towers or anything. And we're gonna take a turn. I believe we're on the west end of the pool now. And you kind of duck through here. There's a nice little waterfall going out to a little man-made pond, some ducks. The ducks are very social. They were definitely looking for food the whole time. A couple of pool restrooms over here, should they need a rise. Again, so this is the other end of the pool, another gate to the pool. And we are going to come over. There's the ducks again. And outside here is something that causes some complaints on TripAdvisor that I read. Hold on before I get to that. Another waterfall, another little pond. Nice touches. But this is a concert venue. I don't believe there were any concerts while we were here. I certainly didn't hear any. But here is the stage. They do Humphrey's concerts. It's popular. The Beach Boys are playing here, I believe in September. A ton of seating. So if you're looking for a quiet room and there's a concert schedule, probably best to avoid these rooms up here. I don't know, E or F maybe. There's the Marina Ballroom. And then over here, on the other side of the concert venue is one of the marinas. Shelter Island is surrounded by marinas and tons of boats. We were joking that while we were here, it feels like there's enough boats just in the water around Shelter Island to provide one to every San Diegan in the metro area. And this is just, I mean, look how many boats there are. It's crazy. It is crazy. They're on every side. This is just one small fraction of the boating action around just Shelter Island, and this is just one place where they have boats. And then off in the distance there, I we'll zoom in. That is the Bayside Club Hotel, which also looks very nice. You can check that out. Maybe we'll stay there one day and do a review. But yeah, that's a little quick, brief property tour. We loved it. This is a great hotel. We definitely stay here again. And we are sad to go home. We think San Diego, we're a little bit biased right now coming off of Comic-Con, a little mini vacation, but we think San Diego is above and beyond a better city than LA, at least right now.
For sure.
All right, that is all for now.